Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1, question number 2. Write the first 5 multiples of 5, 8 and 9. 5, 8 and 9. Okay. So here 5 multiples means 5 1 5, 5 2 10. The required multiples are 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. First 5. Okay. So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. If a question asks 6 7 multiples, after this we multiplies 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Okay. So now 5 multiples of 5s are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we write 5 multiples of 8. So also 8 1 ja 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, 8 into 4 32, 8 into 5 40. The required multiples are, this is required multiples of. Okay, so 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Now this is C part is 9. So 5 multiple of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So we write 5 multiple of 9. This is a C part. The required multiples are 9 into 1 9, 9 into 2 18, 9 into 3 27, 9 into 4 36, 9 into 5 45. Okay. Of this 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and so on, the multiple of 9, but we did only first 5 multiples of 9. So first 5 multiples of 9s are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Match the following. This is question number 3. Match the following. So here we match column 1 to column 2. This is column 1 to column 2. Okay. So first is 35. 35 is the multiple of 7. 35 is the multiple of 7. This is B part of column 2. First part of column 2 is match B part of column 2. Okay. Second part of column A is 15. 15 is a factor of 30. Okay. So 15 is the factor of 30. This is G part of column second. B part of column 1. Second part of column 1 is match D part of column second. Third part of column 1 16. 16 is a multiple of 8. So this is right. Third part of column first is A part of column second. 20. 20 is the factor of 20. Each number's factor is itself. 1 is the factor of all numbers and each number is the factor itself. Okay, 25 is the factor of 50, clear, because 25 divides 50. Okay, so 25 is the factor of 50. Okay, let's see next part. Next question number 4 of exercise 3.2, sorry 3.1. Here question 4, find the all multiples of 9 up to 100. All multiples of 9, all multiples of 9 up to 100. Okay, so all multiples of 9 up to 100 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. Okay, this is the tables of 9. Okay, all those numbers which divides by 9, they are multiple of 9, and 9 is the factor of all those numbers. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is a all multiple of 9 because each and every numbers divides by 9, 9 by 9, this and this. So all the multiples are 9 up to 100 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. Types of natural numbers. In types of natural numbers, first we discuss about even number, after this odd number, and prime, co-prime, twin prime numbers, prime triplet, composite numbers, perfect numbers. Okay, so even number, how can we recognize the given number is even number or odd numbers? A natural numbers which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even natural numbers. Any number if you divide by 2, any numbers which it divides by 2, then that numbers is even numbers. Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, now odd numbers. Unnatural numbers which is not divisible by 2 is called odd natural numbers. Okay, odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, a natural number which is not even number, then it is odd numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, you can say 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. This is odd natural numbers. Okay, so number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd natural numbers, and the numbers which is divisible by 2 is called even natural numbers. Okay, you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So this is even numbers. But here you can see in the case of odd numbers, okay, the natural numbers which is not divisible by 2 is called odd natural numbers. So odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. You can see all these numbers which is not divisible by 2. Okay, so this is an odd numbers. Now we are going to discuss about prime numbers and composite numbers. Let's see what is prime numbers. Okay, Next types of natural numbers are prime numbers. Natural numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called prime numbers. Okay. You can say a numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself the number is called prime numbers. Some prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Okay. A natural number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. Some prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Is 1 is prime number? 1 is prime number? No, because 1 have only one factor, 1. So 1 is not prime numbers. Twenty is prime number? No, 20 have more than two factors. So that 20 is not prime number. Okay. 29 is prime number? Yes. 29 is prime number because 29 have only two factors, 1 and 29 itself. Okay. What is factor? What is factors? If a number divides another numbers, then the given numbers, then this number is a factor of given numbers. For example, if 4 divides 20, so 4 is the factor of 20. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about composite number. What is composite number? Composite numbers. A natural numbers is called a composite numbers if it has more than two different factors. A natural numbers which have more than two different factors is called composite number. But in the case of prime numbers, a numbers which have only two factors is called prime numbers, and a numbers which have more than two factors is called composite number. So some composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 3, 12. So smallest composite number is 4. Here you can see smallest composite number is 4. But in the case of prime number, smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the smallest even prime number. If question asks smallest prime number, this is 2. Smallest odd prime number, this is 3. Okay. Only 2 is even prime numbers. Except 2, all prime number is odd. Okay. So smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest odd prime number is 3. Greatest even prime numbers is 2. Okay. And smallest composite number is 4. Greatest composite number is not defined. Okay. So you can see here. Suppose we take a number 22. So factor of 22 is 22 into 1, 11 into 2. Okay. So factor of 22 is 1, 2, 11, 22 itself. So you can see here more than two different factors. Here 22 have 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 22 is composite numbers. And we take 31. Suppose we take 31. We take 31. Okay. The factor of 31 is 1 into 31. So this is only two factors. Okay, so 31 is a prime number, not composite numbers. I hope all of you understood what is prime number and what is a composite numbers. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the twins prime number. Twin primes, a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Pair of prime numbers which differ by 2 are called twin prime numbers. So you can see some twin primes are 3 and 5, difference between 2, 5 and 7, difference between 2. This is twin primes. 11, 13, difference 2, 17, 19, difference 2, 29, 31, difference 2, 41, 43, difference 2. You can see here 59, 61, difference 2. This is twin primes. 71, 73, this is also differ by 2. This is a twin primes. Okay. So again, we define twin primes. Pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime. Pairs of twin primes between 1 and 100 are 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73. How many twin primes between 1 to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. Okay. So this is a twin primes. Okay. Pair of prime numbers which differ by 2. Tell me, is 27 and 29. 29, pair of 29 and 27 are prime number. Are twin prime? No, because 29 is a prime number, but 27 is not prime. Because 27 have more than 2 factors. So this is composite numbers. Okay. So twin primes you can define. We check two pair of 2 prime numbers which differ by 2. Okay. We are going to discuss prime triplet. Prime triplet. Prime triplet. A triplet of consecutive prime numbers which differ by 2 is called a prime triplet. The only one prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. You can say a group of 3 prime number which differ by 2. Here you can see this is group of 3 prime numbers. The difference between 2 is 3 to 5, 2, 5 to 7, 2. They are differ between 2. This is called prime triplet. Okay. A prime of consecutive prime numbers, a triplet of consecutive prime numbers which differ by 2 is called a prime triplet. The only one prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. Okay, because the 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So they are difference by 2. Group of 3 prime numbers which are differ by 2 is also called prime triplet. But in the case of twin prime numbers, a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime. Okay, but in the case of prime triplet, group of 3 prime numbers which differ by 2. In twin prime number, group of a pair of 2 prime numbers which differ by 2. In this world, only one single groups is prime triplet 3, 5, 7. This is only prime triplet. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Twins prime number, difference between pair of prime number, difference by 2. Okay, you can see it. And a group of 3 prime number which is differ by 2. So here this is only 357 is only example of prime triplet. Only this example of prime triplet. Okay, so now we are going to discuss co-prime number and the perfect numbers. I hope all of you understood. This is co-prime numbers. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have no common other than 1. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have no common factors other than 1. Some examples of co-prime numbers: 2, 3. This is two natural numbers, but it have no common except 1. 3, 8. Both are natural number, but it have no common except 1. It have no common factors. 5, 6. Both are two natural numbers, but it has no common factor other than 1. 8, 15. Both are natural number, but it has no common factor other than 1. So they are co-prime numbers. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers. Next, definition of co-prime numbers. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have no common factors other than 1. Okay, so you can see here 8, 15, 5, 6, or 6, 5, 15, 8. 15, 8, two prime numbers, two natural numbers, it has no common. इसमें कुछ कॉमन नहीं है. It has no common. 5, 6, 6, 5, 3, 8, 8, 3 have no common other than 1. Okay, so this is a co-prime numbers. Okay, one question arises here. 25 and 41. 25 and 41 are co-prime number. 25 and 41 both are natural number. This is two natural numbers, so it is co-prime number. Yes, because it has no common factor other than 1. So this is a co-prime numbers. Okay, 99 and 63, it is co-prime number? No, it has no co-prime number because it has 3 common. Because it has 3 common. Clear? So this is not co-prime numbers, but this is a co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers is two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have no common factor other than 1. This is given numbers. These are co-prime numbers because it have no common factor other than 1. But here you can see it is common factor is 3 and 9 also. 3 and 9 also. So it is no common. It is no co-prime number. This is not co-prime numbers because it has common factors 3, 9. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about perfect number. What is perfect number? Perfect number. If the sum of all factor of a number is equal to twice the number, then the number is called perfect number. Sum of all factors of a number. If the sum of all factors of a number is equal to twice the number, then the number is called perfect numbers. Let's see some example of perfect numbers. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So sum of all factors, suppose the number is 6, the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. The sum of all factors of 6 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. This is 12. 12 is the twice of 6. Given number is 6. So this is a factor, sum of factor of 6 is 12. 12 is the twice of 6. So 6 is the perfect number. 6 is the perfect numbers. Let's see next examples. Suppose the factor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Clear? So sum of all factors of 28. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28 is to become sum of all factors of 28 is 56. So 56 is a twice of 28. So 28 is a perfect number. 28 is a perfect number. Okay. Let's see some examples and check the number is perfect number or not. Okay. So one times again we discuss the perfect numbers. If the sum of all factors of a numbers is equal to twice or double the numbers. Here 6, this is number. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sum of all factors is 12. 12 is double of 6 or twice of 6. So according to definition of perfect number, according to definition of perfect number, 6 is a perfect numbers. And here 28, the factor of 28 are also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Sum of all factors of 28 are 56. So you can see here this number 28 to the 56 and the 56 is the twice of 28. So 28 is the perfect numbers. Let us check some numbers that they are perfect number or not. So in this way, so first we check the factors of the given numbers and sum of all factors of given numbers, and we check the given sum of all factors of given numbers is twice of the numbers or not. If the twice of the numbers, then the given number is perfect numbers. Okay, so let's see some another example to check perfect number. Suppose a number is 12, we take number 12. So factor of 12 is 1, clear, 2, clear, 3, clear. Okay, because 1 divides 12, 2 divides 12, 3 divides 12, 4 also divides 12, 6 divides 12 and 12 itself divides 12. So this is a factor of 12. Sum of all factors, sum of all factors What is the sum of all factors of 12 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Okay. So this is 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 10, 10, 16, 16 plus 12, 28. So this is 12. 28 is not doubles of 12, 2 times of 12. So this is not perfect numbers. Clear? According to definition, if the sum of all factors of a given numbers is equal to the twice the numbers, then the number is called perfect number. So this is not perfect numbers. 12 is not perfect number because the sum of all factors of 12 is 28. 28 is not double of 12. Okay, let's see another example. 9. So factor of 9 is, suppose number 9. So factor of 9 is 1, 3, 9 itself. Okay. So sum of all factor of 9 is 4, 13. This is sum of all factors of 9 is 13. Okay. So according to definition, 13 is not 2 times of 9. So this is not perfect numbers. Okay. So 6 is a perfect numbers and 28 is also perfect numbers. And you also try some other numbers which is perfect or not. Okay. Thank you for watching.